mondo. Woo! Woo! What's up, gang? Man, Fishing Boys 707 back with another video.
It's your boy Bill here, man. We're back at the greatest, our home lake.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man, we're gonna catch some big fish for you guys. Right now, I'm gonna apologize for the auto, man. It's real windy today. Real windy. I believe it's like 15 to 20 miles per hour today. But man, we're gonna be catching some bass, man. For y'all, some big bass. It's real windy, so we like this. It's creating all these waves in the water. So we feel like that's good for us, and it's, we got an advantage to try to catch them, man. We're gonna show you guys how we're gonna catch them. And y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Most importantly, man, support the channel, man. We fish here every day, man. We try to show you guys some clips, man, some videos, teach you guys how we doing it, and hopefully you guys can use it when you guys go on y'all fishing trip. But y'all stay tuned, man. We catching some big fish today, man. Let's get it. I'm about to throw on this bug square bill, crawfish color, so you can see. Shit, it's real windy, so man, sorry for the auto. We're finding fish right now, so we're throwing moving baits right now. What you throwing on, Bill?
I'm throwing on a 6-inch square bill right now.
Okay.
Moving fire here in the water right now. I'm show y'all in a minute.
Okay. Throwing on that bug square bill. Okay, that thing look nice.
Yeah,
okay.
Nice,
Bluegill color? That one. There you go. That one, yeah. Yeah, he's really hooked. He's really hooked. The other way. Good shit.
Be in there, Zay.
Good shit, baby. Hey, got a good one right here, probably 2.5 right here. Just drinking that square bill, reeling it in real slow. It got a rattler on there, and it just got him. That rattler's attracting him, so hey, it's real. The water's real muddy right now, so this rattler is real good. It's attracting all the bass. Man, hopefully we catch some more, man. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. If you guys learning anything off our videos, let us know, man. We'll keep,
Yeah, man.
some bangers like this,
Tips.
man. We'll go ahead and release her right here.
Release. Now, what was you doing on that retrieve, man?
Man, just slow rolling it, real cool. It's a lot of weeds, so I'll jerk it every now and then and pop the weeds off my bait. And once I pop it, they're right there, man. They pulling it. They pulling the rod, man.
Yes, sir, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, let's get it. Let's go, man. Just caught one off this bug square bill. Let's go get another one. We're gonna try to go back to the same spot. Sorry if you guys can't hear us, but what we do, man? We fish in any conditions. One thing about throwing square bills or any moving bait, you want to throw it out there as far as you can.
Yeah, make a longer the catch, the better the catch.
Exactly. Longer, the more chances the potential fish is gonna bite. You can't throw a short cast and think, oh, it should be a fish right there. Nah, they out there. They know when the boat is coming. Exactly. They hear the trolling motor. They feel the trolling motor. Especially when you're working in shallow water.
Yeah.
They for surely gonna feel it. So you want to make sure you throw some long casts.
Got one.
Got one?
Get in there.
Oh,
Fuck!
my bad. Fuck, bro. My bad, bro. Yeah, fuck. Damn. My bad, bro. That's how it would. Oh, you good one? Oh, you good. Good shit. You made sure you got that one. Good shit.
Nice little 12 incher, man. 13 incher.
Hell yeah.
Probably pushing a pound. Probably. he a good pound.
Hey, well, it's good. You got one on the boat, man. Good shit.
Mondo. Mondo.
You caught that spot too.
First cast too, yes sir.
You caught
Nice
that.
fatty, right on that drop off, right where we be peeping these drop offs, and it's like a hard slab right here, and it drops off immediately, like drops off 2 to like probably 6 feet. That could change a lot. They like to chill up right there.
Good shit, bro. What you catch them on?
Swim jig, man. Swim jig tips, man. Video coming out soon. Tips and tricks coming out soon. Technique 1, man. You don't know when the video come out. Technique 1.
Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, fuck, Mondo. Woo!
Nigga, that's a
Woo!
nigga, that's a sex.
Yeah.
That's a football, nigga, right on there. Damn, man. California swim jig. Matched it with 6 cents. Hey, got the pig though, man.
Let's face the other way.
I think she about pushing 6 for sure. She about 6 for sure. Ah, man. We back again, bruh. Ooh. Yeah. She about pushing 6, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, tip 1. Tip 1 of the swim jigs. Good 6, man. Woo, woo, woo. Release. It hurts. It hurts to let her go. It hurts. Hey, man, we do this all for y'all, bro. Good shit, man.
Hey, man, make sure y'all like it.
Like, subscribe, bro.
Hey, we killing it today, man. Hey, make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Like I said, if you guys like our videos, man, subscribe, man. Show us some love. We here every day fishing on the water, every day or every other day for y'all, man. Just trying to give y'all some bangers.
Yeah, man, we do these videos for y'all, man.
Hey, if y'all didn't know what mondo mean, man, it mean a big bass, man. We catching mondos, man.
Hey,
We catching mondos. Hey, man, we're gonna go back to that same spot. Hopefully it's another one in there. They're pre-spawning right now. It's like 55 degrees, so it's getting there to 60 degrees where
5 more degrees.
they're gonna be
5 more.
5 more, and then they're gonna be hitting. They're gonna be making beds, laying their eggs, and the male's gonna be protecting the beds. So y'all stay tuned for that video, man.
We got big bass in here, man. Stay
Yes, sir,
tuned.
man.
Subscribe.
Let's get it. I want.
Oh, I missed it.
He was on there, huh? He was on there, huh?
Running with my shit. I mean, little one. So, hella.
Got one? Got him?
Eddie.
Oh, net him? Here you
Get it. Ah, you try to spit.
Good look, bro.
Same spot, same casting spot. Look at me.
Good shit.
This is the 4th one of the day, man.
Good one.
Swim jig, same spot. I think I cast in there like 7 times. I just had one. Literally, he came off. I think it was like a little pounder. But throw it back in, same spot, really. Slurped it. Probably like a 2-pounder, pushing 2. For the release.
Shit, bro.
Let's go, man.
Yes,
That's
sir.
tip. That's tip 2, I think. I was just burning it. For real.
Right
Hey.
in there.
You feel me?
Yes,
Like and
sir.
subscribe, man.
Have you guys caught anything?
Yeah, we caught like 5 bass. Look, he got one right here. Look. Yes, sir. Need a net? Huh? No, you got it. Hey, he swallowed that thing. Damn, good shit, boy.
Right in the open.
Yes, sir. Good shit.
Thank you, man.
Good shit, bro.
Another one off.
That swim jig.
Swim jig.
Good shit. Fuck, bro, I need to get one. Got one? Fuck, man. You get a net?
I'm a bad fish in this.
This nigga dumb. Yes, sir. Got me. Oh, you fucking up. You gotta get him. Let's go. Good shit, bro. You killing them, bro.
That's how we bass fish, bro. Another one off.
Good look.
Swim jig.
Yes, sir.
Slow rolling.
Damn, huh?